In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide address on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where your store address lives in your Shopify admin and how to remove it so it doesn't appear in places that pull from your store details. First, open your Shopify store and sign into your admin dashboard. From here, look to the lower left corner for the Settings option. Go ahead and click Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find a section commonly labeled General or Store Details, depending on your current interface. That's the area you want. Open it and you'll see your store's business information, including the address fields. This address is what Shopify uses across your account to identify your business. Many themes and apps reference it for things like a footer contact block or other places that automatically show store details. If your goal is to hide your address from appearing publicly, the simplest approach is to remove it here. Locate the address fields and clear out the lines you don't want displayed. Take a moment to double-check what you've removed, then save your changes so they stick. A quick note for clarity. While removing your address here helps prevent it from appearing in storefront sections that read from your store details, some areas of Shopify may still require a valid address for operational needs like billing, taxes, or shipping labels. In those cases, Shopify may prompt you to keep an address on file, even if you don't want it visible to customers. If you run into that, consider using a dedicated business mailbox rather than a personal address, and check any legal or tax requirements in your region to stay compliant. After you've saved, refresh your storefront and any pages that previously showed the address. If you had the store open in another browser tab, reload it to make sure you're seeing the latest version. If your theme or an app is set to display address information from somewhere else, it may not reflect the change right away, but for most setups that read from your general store details, removing the address here will do the trick. Finally, it's a good idea to view your site as a customer would. Open a private browsing window and navigate to your homepage, footer, and any contact areas to confirm the address is no longer visible. If it looks clean there, you're all set. That's how to hide your address on Shopify quickly and cleanly, right from your store settings.